how to find and print an Amazon receipt within the Amazon app on iPhone and Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find your Amazon receipt, which is an invoice. It also includes payment information within the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android phone and select the person icon in the bottom menu. Once you do that, select orders in the top left, and then all we need to do is simply find the order that we want a receipt for. So you can either search at the top or you can scroll down. Once you find the order, select it, and then from here scroll down and select View Order Details. From here, select View Invoice. This will open up what they call final details for your order. So this is an invoice that also includes your payment information. Now they don't give us a button that we can press to print this. So simply zoom out so you can see all the details and then take a screenshot. From there, open up the screenshot, crop it down to remove the menus at the top and the bottom. Now we have our full invoice. Select the share button in the top right and then just select print. Now all we need to do to save this as a PDF is long press the print icon, select it. It'll then say generating PDF. Then just select the share icon on the bottom left and select Save to Files. So now you can save it just like you would a normal receipt and print out the PDF if you want to. So that's how you find and print Amazon receipts. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.